My name is Joe Haynes. I'm president of Little Beaver Incorporated, and I own the business together with my brother John. We're third generation, so I'll take you back to the beginning when my grandfather, Newman Haynes, started the company. When he was a teenager, he became a mechanic, and he loved to tinker with things. He fixed cars, built himself a tow truck, started a garage.
Was real good, particularly on small things like figuring out little latches. He had several fences and gates around his place, and they all had different latches with a different little mechanism, and they all worked wonderfully.
Eventually became the owner of a tractor dealership and later on an Oldsmobile car dealership. And around 1947, he decided to retire from that. After maybe 6 months or a year retirement, a man came to him who he had promised if the guy brought a tractor, he would build a front-end mounted mowing machine for him. And that was the first product that started out the Haynes Manufacturing Company. A little bit later, along came the Little Beaver, a machine that would girdle a tree. It had a backpack mounted engine, it had a short flexible shaft, a cutter wheel, and from that he developed a gearbox that mounted in place of that cutter wheel, put handles on that, and added an auger. So that backpack mounted engine powered the auger. The operator would drill the hole in the ground, pull it out, and then the next progression from that was to put the engine on a cart on wheels behind it, a little bit longer flexible drive shaft. In the late 50s, early 60s, my dad, B.R. Haynes, took over the business, and he expanded and improved the sales and went out to new markets, the rental industry and so on.
As my dad assumed control over the business, we started modernizing and improving the manufacturing processes and making things run a little smoother, and tried to add in a little more quality.
He turned it over to John and I in the mid-80s. We've made many improvements, adding a torque tube, which is a great safety benefit, and then over the years fleshing out product lines with hydraulic equipment, with water well drills, with soil testing equipment, and so on.
At Little Beaver, we want our customers to think that we've got a quality product that we will support and support them and what they're trying to do.
So that brings us up to 2018. I have a son who has come to work for us. He is an engineer, trained and graduated from Texas A&M University and worked for a foundry in Houston for 11 years. And he's come to join us.
For the future, we want to continue to improve the manufacturing processes, get products out to the customers in a timely fashion, and let them enjoy the quality and ease of use of the Little Beaver products.